Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
A Song of Hope by Kath Walker, Ujaru Nunakal. Look up, my people, the dawn is breaking, the world is waking, to a new bright day, when none defame us, nor color shame us, nor sneer dismay. Now brood no longer. On the years behind you, the hope assigned you shall the past replace, when a juster justice, grown wise and stronger, points the bone no longer, at a darker race. So long we waited, bound and frustrated, till hate be hated and caste deposed, now light shall guide us, no goal denied us, and all doors open that long were closed. See plain the promise, dark freedom lover. Night's nearly over, and though long the climb, new rights will greet us, new mateship meet us, and joy complete us. In a new dream time. To our fathers, fathers. The pain, the sorrow, to our children's children. The glad tomorrow. About the poet. Ujaru Nunakal, born Kathleen Jean Mary Ruska on November 3, 1920, died September 16, 1993, was a trailblazing Aboriginal Australian poet, political activist, educator, and environmentalist. She is widely recognized as the first Aboriginal Australian to publish a book of poetry, and her work played a pivotal role in advancing Indigenous rights and cultural awareness in Australia. Literary achievements. In 1964, under the name Kath Walker, she published We Are Going, the first poetry book by an Aboriginal Australian. The collection was groundbreaking, giving voice to Indigenous experiences and aspirations. Her subsequent works include The Dawn is at Hand, 1966, My People, a Kath Walker collection, 1970. Stradbroke Dreamtime, 1972, blending autobiographical stories with Aboriginal legends. Father Sky and Mother Earth, 1981, a children's book. The Rainbow Serpent, 1988, retelling a traditional creation story. Kath Walker's poem, A Song of Hope, was first published in 1964 as part of her groundbreaking poetry collection We Are Going. This collection was the first book of poetry published by an Aboriginal Australian and marked a significant moment in Australian literature and Indigenous activism. It gave voice to Aboriginal experiences and aspirations during a time of social and political change. A Song of Hope, by Kath Walker, later known as Ujaru Nunakal, is a powerful and uplifting poem that reflects the hopes of Aboriginal Australians for equality, justice, and reconciliation. Written during a time of political and social upheaval, the poem is both a call for change and a celebration of the possibilities of a better future. Summary of A Song of Hope. A Song of Hope expresses the poet's vision of a future where Aboriginal and non-Aboriginal Australians live in harmony. The poem looks ahead to a time when the suffering, discrimination, and injustice faced by Aboriginal people will be replaced with fairness, recognition, and mutual respect. It begins by acknowledging past struggles but shifts quickly to a tone of optimism. The poem emphasizes the inevitability of change and progress, portraying hope as a force that cannot be stopped. It encourages perseverance and unity, imagining a shared future shaped by compassion, equality, and understanding. Analysis of A Song of Hope. 1. Theme: Hope and Optimism. As the title suggests, the central theme is hope. Kath Walker believes that despite the hardships faced by her people, a better future is possible. Justice and equality. The poem highlights the desire for equal rights and an end to oppression. Reconciliation. Walker envisions a united Australia where both Indigenous and non-Indigenous people walk together. Tone and mood. The tone is uplifting, determined, and forward-looking. The mood is one of hope, inspiration, and solidarity. Language and style. Simple, direct language, reflects Walker's intent to communicate clearly and reach a wide audience. Poetic devices. Repetition to emphasize hope and resilience. Imagery portrays the harsh past and the bright future. Symbolism. The sun often symbolizes a new dawn or beginning. Context. Written during the 1960s, amid the civil rights movement in Australia. The poem reflects the growing movement for Aboriginal rights, including land rights and the 1967 referendum campaign to recognise Aboriginal people in the Australian Constitution. Conclusion. A Song of Hope is not just a poem, it is a political and emotional declaration. Kath Walker's work remains deeply relevant today, resonating with themes of social justice, empowerment, and hopeful transformation. It reminds us that while history has been marked by suffering, the future can be written with courage and compassion.
Viewer, kindly subscribe this channel. Share this video to your pioneers. Comment your feedback. Thank you for watching.